Hi to everyone. Today we will discuss about the cluster computing architecture and cloud computing. Last video we will discuss about the distributed computing and cluster computing. Today we will discuss about the cluster computing and architecture, cluster computing architecture and cloud computing. Before start this session, first like this video, so that it reach to so many students. They also will learn all cloud computing topics and they also will write the exams very well. Now we will start the cluster computing architecture. Don't skip this video, watch till end of the video. Sequential application, parallel programming environment, cluster middleware, and next in this cluster computing and sequential of nodes is connected to the one workstation. A group of workstations will solve the problems. Actually, cluster computing is used to solve any problem. In this, an array of interconnected individual computer and the computer system operating system collectively as single standard system. Individual computers or individual nodes are connected to the workstation and solve the problem. In theory subjects, you need to first draw a diagram and write point-wise matter. Okay, now we will see next point. In this group of workstations or computers working together into a single integrated computing resource. A group of all workstations are connected to form a single workstation to compute a resource to solve a problem. Sequential applications. In this we will use sequential applications. Applications are in sequential. And next parallel applications. Parallel applications also involved. Next, parallel programming environment. All programs are taken by in parallel computing environment. Next, cluster middleware. Cluster middleware is nothing but for this diagram, cluster middleware is used. Next, these are all computer node 1, node 2. We will call as computers, each individual computers in cloud computing we will known as node 1, node 2. Okay, node 1, node 2, node 3. These are all connected to the workstation. A group of workstations is get together and solve a problem. It is integrated to single integrated computing resource. Next, these all are each individual computers. These are all computers now. These each individual computers are connected to the network communication switch. These five any other computers are connected to the communication switch. Next we will see cloud computing. Now we will see cloud computing. What is the cloud computing? Cloud computing is one of the concept of grid computing. In this, we will use the all resources to solve a problem. In cloud computing, large problem is to divide into small parts. By using the grid concept, it will solve a problem. Now we will see cloud computing architecture. First in exam, you need to draw this architecture and write point-wise. Next, this client. First step is client infrastructure. These are all resources to solve a problem in cloud computing. Client infrastructure. Clients are nothing but we. Client infrastructure, web browser, internet connection. Next, front end cloud. Next, internet. What are the resources are there? Internet, applications, services, cloud runtime, storage, infrastructure. These are the resources to solve a problem in cloud computing. Next, security. Security also important, so that we are using security. Next, backend cloud. Here front end cloud and here backend. Security is backend cloud. Next, management. Management is also very important. This is about the cloud architecture. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon so that when I will upload the videos, you will get by notification, so that you can learn all these cloud computing topics. And I have kept in description C language topics also. You see that. Next, like this video so that so many students can learn these topics. It reached to so many students, and share this video. Next video we can meet. Thank you.